Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your premier destination for in-depth analysis and expert insights into the latest technological advancements. Today, we're excited to delve into the exciting realm of leaked specifications for the highly anticipated OM-5 Mark II. This potential game-changer could redefine the landscape of compact photography in 2025, offering a unique blend of portability, performance, and innovative features. Deciphering the rumored specifications and potential features. OM System has been keeping the details of the OM-5 Mark II under wraps, but recent leaks have ignited a wave of excitement among photography enthusiasts. With potential upgrades across the board, this camera could emerge as the lightweight powerhouse many photographers have yearned for. As we explore the rumored specifications and possible features, we'll examine how the OM-5 Mark II stacks up against its competitors and what this means for the future of compact photography. Olympus OM series has established a reputation for exceptional performance, portability, and durability. The original OM-5 was a groundbreaking camera that set the standard for compact, high-quality imaging. Its compact size, advanced stabilization, and rugged build make it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and photographers who demand exceptional results in challenging environments. A harmonious balance, Micro Four Thirds sensors and compact design. The OM-5 line's Micro Four Thirds sensors offer a harmonious balance between image quality and compact design. This sensor format provides a unique blend of portability, image quality, and versatility, making it an attractive choice for photographers who require high-quality results without the bulk of larger cameras. A camera for the modern creative, lightweight, reliable, and professional grade. The OM-5 Mark II has the potential to become the go-to camera for vloggers, travel photographers, and anyone seeking a lightweight, reliable camera with professional-grade performance. Its compact design, advanced features, and rugged build make it an ideal choice for creatives who demand exceptional results without compromise. As we delve into the rumored upgrades for the OM-5 Mark II, one of the most exciting developments is the expected upgrade to a 20.4 megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor. Building upon the foundation of the original OM-5, this new sensor promises to deliver improved image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance. OM System's reputation for extracting exceptional quality from its sensors through advanced image processing technology suggests that this upgrade will have a significant impact on the camera's overall performance. The OM-5 Mark II is poised to revolutionize the world of compact photography, boasting a trio of powerful upgrades that promise to unlock exceptional image quality. The combination of an upgraded sensor and Olympus high residential shot mode could result in images that rival some full-frame cameras in terms of detail, making it an attractive option for photographers seeking high-quality results without the bulk of larger cameras. Accelerating performance, the TRK-X processor. The inclusion of the TRK-X processor is another highly anticipated upgrade, promising faster autofocus, enhanced noise reduction, and a smoother overall shooting experience. This latest generation processor would empower the OM-5 Mark II to handle complex scenes with ease, providing photographers with greater flexibility in post-processing thanks to cleaner image files. Unmatched stabilization, a 7.5 stop IBIS system. OM System cameras are renowned for their powerful in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and the OM-5 Mark II is rumored to push the boundaries even further. A 7.5 stop stabilization system could be on the horizon, allowing photographers to shoot handheld in extremely low light with minimal risk of motion blur. As the OM-5 Mark II prepares to enter the crowded market, it's essential to assess its competitive standing. OM System has consistently excelled in crafting compact, rugged designs that prioritize portability and durability. The OM-5 Mark II is likely to build upon this legacy, offering industry-leading image stabilization that simplifies the capture of sharp images in challenging conditions. A formidable competitor, enhanced autofocus, video specs, and IBIS. If the rumors about its improved autofocus and video specs hold, the OM-5 Mark II could become a formidable competitor in the compact travel camera market. While Fujifilm's X-T5 and Panasonic's G92 might offer larger APS-C sensors, Olympus IBIS, advanced processing, and weather sealing could give it the edge for those who prioritize mobility and durability. As we eagerly await the arrival of the OM-5 Mark II, it's essential to examine the potential release timeline and pricing strategy. Considering Olympus' typical release patterns, an announcement in late 2025 seems likely, positioning the camera for peak shopping times during the holiday season. This strategic release timeline would enable OM system to build anticipation, capture the market, and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. Pricing strategy, a competitive mid-tier option. Pricing is a critical factor, and considering the OM-5 launched around $1,200, we might see the Mark II land between $1,300 and $1,500. With the rumored upgrades, OM system is likely to justify a slight price increase. However, this price range would still position the OM-5 Mark II as a competitive mid-tier option, appealing to enthusiasts who desire a professional-grade camera without breaking the bank. The OM-5 Mark II is poised to become an attractive option for a specific demographic of photographers. Travel photographers, adventurers, and content creators who prioritize portability and ease of use will likely find this camera to be the perfect fit. Its compact size, powerful stabilization, and potential video features make it an excellent choice for vloggers, hikers, and anyone needing a lightweight camera with serious capabilities. A reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Olympus has a long history of creating cameras that thrive in challenging conditions, making the OM-5 Mark II an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable companion to capture their journeys. Whether you're a landscape photographer, wildlife enthusiast, or simply an adventurer, this camera's rugged design and advanced features promise to deliver exceptional results in a variety of environments. If the price is right and the features are delivered as promised, the OM-5 Mark II could attract new users seeking a compact, versatile solution for both photography and video. Its potential to excel in various scenarios, particularly in terms of autofocus and low-light performance, makes it an exciting prospect for content creators and photographers alike.